What's up, guys? Patrick here, and you're watching Cooking Good Food. I first wanted to thank you guys for the ongoing support. I really appreciate it. I love doing these videos, and I enjoy sharing some of the stuff that I know with you guys. A lot of the recipes I try to use are basics, great just for foundations to make it into something that you want. Express yourself a little bit, and don't be afraid to try anything new. Now for this salsa recipe, it is super simple. I didn't put any spice in it, so there's no jalapenos or anything like that. However, like I said, it's a great foundation to make it into something that you would like. I mean, hell, I put pineapples in it, and it is just to die for. So, hope you enjoy this episode. And if you haven't checked out my latest video, the link is down in the description below. I hope you all have a great night. Bon appetit. So this salsa recipe really isn't much. About 4 or 5 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to slice up these tomatoes in half, core them out, and just use the exterior of them. I can use the insides at a later date for a soup or a sauce. I try to reduce the amount of waste in the kitchen. Now that you have the tomatoes cored out, we're going to dice them as fine as possible. We're going to use half of a purple onion. We're going to dice the purple onion as fine as possible. Go ahead and throw those into a bowl. Now, we want to grab that bunch of cilantro, and we want to chop it as finely as possible. Go ahead and throw that into the bowl. Now, we're going to cut our lime in half, and we're going to squeeze out 1 full half of the lime into the bowl with our cilantro, and then add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to add a tiny bit of olive oil. We're going to go ahead and stir that up a little, and then we're also going to go ahead and squeeze that last half of lime. And there you have it. A simple, yet delicious, and beautiful salsa. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. And until next time, bon appetit.